Hello, my name is Erika Cascone and I'm Industry Liaison Manager at K.I.T Group. Robots can greatly empower remote attendees present on-site, allowing real-time communication and active participation. Telepresence has the immense value of sharing on-site impressions of physical attendees, connecting them with the remote audience. The combination of robots and telepresence and other smart technologies can help connect the real world with the digital counterpart, enhancing both experiences. For a long time considered just science fiction, AR and VR are now becoming part of our digital world, contributing to change the way we attend events. However, the human contact and social interaction still play a key role in the success of any event. The combination of these technologies, together with real-life human interaction, results in hybrid events, which are the present and the future of the meeting industry.